Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you tired of fad diets and endless hours at the gym without seeing the results you want? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the secret world of fermented foods, nature's weight loss superheroes. From kimchi to sauerkraut, these 7 fermented foods are here to help you lose weight fast and feel amazing. So, you'll want to stick around until the end. Let's get started and find out how you can transform your body with just a few simple additions to your diet. So, what exactly are fermented foods? Simply put, they're foods that have been allowed to break down by tiny microorganisms like bacteria and yeast. This process creates lactic acid, which gives fermented foods their distinctive tangy flavor and numerous health benefits. First up, we have kimchi, the spicy Korean fermented cabbage that's a weight loss powerhouse. Studies have shown that kimchi not only helps you shed pounds, but also improves blood sugar, blood pressure, and even your waist-hip ratio. It's packed with probiotics and prebiotics that keep your gut microbiome in tip-top shape. Next, we've got sauerkraut, the German cousin of kimchi. This fermented cabbage is high in fiber and probiotics, which help you feel full longer and digest food more efficiently. Plus, it contains acetic acid, which slows down the digestion and absorption of starches, preventing those pesky blood sugar spikes. Miso is another fermented food that's not just delicious but also beneficial for weight loss. Made from fermented soybeans, miso contains lactobacillus gasseri, which has been shown to reduce abdominal visceral fat by up to 8.5%. Kefir, a fermented milk product, is a probiotic powerhouse. It helps balance your gut microbiome and supports efficient digestion, making it easier to lose weight and maintain weight loss. Plus, it's high in protein, which keeps you full and satisfied. Natto, a Japanese fermented soybean dish, is rich in lactobacillus natto, which helps reduce fat and improve overall gut health. It's also high in fiber and nutrients, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet. Apple cider vinegar made from fermented apples contains acetic acid that slows down the digestion of starches and helps prevent the conversion of carbohydrates to fat. A study showed that consuming just 2 tablespoons a day can lead to significant weight loss, particularly around the belly area. Last but not least, we have tempeh, a fermented soybean product that's rich in probiotics and fiber. It helps in efficient digestion and supports a healthy gut microbiome, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. And there you have it, folks, the top 7 fermented foods that can help you lose weight fast. So which one of these foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and give a thumbs up for this video if you found it helpful. It's free to subscribe to our channel, and by doing so, you'll get access to more health tips, tricks, and recipes, and receive a notification when we upload a new video. So, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button now, and let's get started on your weight loss journey together.